We are here in fourth lesson, which is Audhavji Bhai Raghavji Bhai Patel, the father of wall clocks. The article has written by Hitesh D. Ravya, and we will have three parts of the lesson. I hope you have heard the name of Ajanta Wall Clocks Company in Morbi, that is established by Audhavji Bhai Raghavji Bhai Patel, and we will see his journey, how he has established this big company. But before that, we will see the introduction of the author who has written the article. Dr. Hitesh D. Ravya, born in 1971, is currently head PG Department of English, KSK Vikas University, Bhuj, Gujarat. So when the lesson was started, he was actually teaching here, but right now he is working in MS University, Baroda. He earned his Masters in English in 1996 and PhD in 2003 from Sardar Patel University, Vallabh He also earned his PG CTE from the ACIFL Hyderabad in 1998. His area of specialization is ELT. ELT is, we can say, a kind of a science of the language, English language. He has been serving as an ELT expert of Gujarat Secondary Education Board, Gandhinagar, Knowledge Consortium of Gujarat Department of Education, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and Regional Institute of Education, NCERT, Bhopal. He has contributed nearly 20 articles and research papers in international national journals, presented research paper in nearly 70 international, national, state level conferences and workshops thus far. So when you are in such a field, you have to write down and you have to present your thoughts about different kind of research things, ideologies. So about that, he has written 20 articles and nearly 70 he has presented such papers in different kind of conferences. He has authored and edited nearly 10 books including UGC Regulation 2010 with illustration, Advanced English for College Students, Advanced Prose for College Students, English Reader for College Students, Mosaic, a textbook for college students, and Cascade, a textbook for college students. So he has written these books. About the author, let's get the introduction of the article. The story is written as a tribute to Audhavji Bhai Raghavji Bhai Patel, who is considered the father of wall clock in India. The article charts the inspiring story of Audhavji Bhai's rise to success. Such a story you had in when you are in first or second semester about Karsan Bhai Patel, who has established Nirma University and Nirma Institute. Audhavji Bhai started out as a humble teacher, but his keen business sense and practical wisdom paved the way for his brilliant transformation into a successful businessman. So he was earlier a science teacher, but he had business skills in his blood, so he turned to this field. Besides being an exceptional entrepreneur, Patel was a man with a strong social conscience who gave back admirable to the society he lived in. So he was not just a businessman, he was also industrialist, a good person. So when he started to earn good money, he also started to work for society's reformation. So this was the introduction of our article. From next, we will start our actual lesson. Audhavji Bhai Raghavji Bhai Patel, the father of wall clocks. Audhavji Bhai Raghavji Patel, popularly known as O.R. Patel, began his business with 1 lakh, setting up a unit in rented premises to manufacture magnetic clocks with coil. So when he started his business, as Karsan Bhai started his business, he started it in a rented shop with 1 lakh money and with magnetic clock with coil. So it was the type of clocks when he started. This type of a clocks was manufactured, but then he did something else. It was only in the mid 1970s that he traveled to Japan and Taiwan with the eldest of his 4 sons and brought the quartz technology to India. It's kind of a automatic technology for walls. So he brought this technology to India. Thus Ajanta Quartz was born. After graduation, he taught science and mathematics at VC High School in Morbi for a salary of about 55 a month. The town was then emerging as the ceramic and clock manufacturing capital of India. So when he was working as a science teacher, at the time the city was emerging as the capital of 2 manufacturing, that is ceramic and that is clocks. His is a journey of a humble school teacher in a small town of Morbi to becoming the chairman of the world's biggest clock manufacturer with an annual turnover nearly rupees 800 crore. So he started with 1 lakh and turned to in 800 crore. With a turnover of nearly 800 crore, the Ajanta Group now manufactures home and electrical appliances. So they were successful in clocks, but then also started the other appliances, calculators and ceramic products, beside the Oreva brand snacks at their plants in Morbi and Kutch. So they have a watch with clock. They also started home and electric appliances, ceramic, and also Oreva brands snacks in Morbi and in Kutch. The group manufactures around 150 models of clocks and timepieces, educational toys, electric lamp and e-bikes. So this manufacturing whole company were producing such a different kinds of things like 100 type of models of clocks, then toys, electric lamps and e-bikes. He is an archetypal example of a triumph of Indian entrepreneurship. The same way Karsanbhai Patel did, he is another archetypal of a entrepreneurship, that if you really want to do something, you need hard work, also smartness in you. O.R. Patel is himself a fascinating and inspiring story of a business wisdom. He used to wake up before sunrise and work until late night till his last breath. He never said, okay, I'm tired, I can leave it. He worked till he died. His clothes, under the brand name of Ajanta, Orpet and Oreva, are sold in more than 45 countries. He has employed nearly 10,000 people in diverse business, from cloak making to harvesting water from farmers, and admirably nearly 8,000 of them are women. So he has hired people of nearly from village and farms, around 10,000, and among them 8,000 are women. He says, of the 10,000 workforce at Ajanta Group, about 80% are women, and the founder believed that their focus and tenderness provided precision and the making of clock. So why he has chosen women? That first they work with the focus, and other they handle, because the mechanism of a watch or a clock is so tender, it's so we have to take care of it. So the tenderness we can get from a woman. So that's why, see here he work as a psychology, how man and woman work. So doing that, knowing that knowledge, he has given most of the work to the women. More than 10 buses now play between the Ajanta factories and some 190 villages to ferry these women, mostly under 25 years of age. So around 25 up and down. His Ajanta group also makes power-saving compact fluorescent lamps (CFL) and Claytron vertified tiles. He is rightly known as the father of wall clocks. So they are not just stopped to making one or two things, they are expanding their business. Odhavji Bhai graduated from Shamla Das Arts College in Bhavnagar at the age of 19. After completing graduation, he started his career as a teacher at VC High School in Morbi, a small town in Saurashtra region of Gujarat, known as the ceramic and cloak manufacturing capital of India. We have seen that he is already living in Morbi, and this is showing that how and where he has get his education. He says, in fact, I wanted to be a pilot, but I came from a decently conservative family that had a traditional mindset about travel. So he actually wanted to be a pilot, but in his family they didn't allow him because they have some conservative mindset, so he couldn't be a pilot. We believe that even if you earn less, one should not leave the motherland. See, these are the ideologies that to earn a lot, you don't have to go to abroad. Live in motherland and earn less, but live in your place, in your land. In the early 1960s, he joined the NCC as a junior commissioned officer. it was the student run program which endows him with some basic armed forces training for backup officers in the event of attack and allowed him to travel across the country. So he joined a NCC, and this is how he traveled the other country. He was interested in the various activities such as drama and sport. At the school level, that groomed his for management. So such, if you are doing the drama, you tackle with the different people, because drama is not the person who do alone normally. So when you are doing drama or you are playing sport, you need a teamwork. So if you know how to lead them, how to manage them, this kind of skill developed during his school and college time. That's why he could do a good management in his business too. So we are here completing our first part, and in the last slide we will see some question answers. So our first question is, give brief introduction of Uddhavji Bhai, which you will get in about the article that he started his career as a science teacher, but then he is a keen knowledge about business, so he turned his way toward business. How Uddhavji Bhai started his business? So he is known as O.R. Patel. He began his business with 1 lakh and setting up his small shop in some rented premises and with some 1 lakh rupee, and started to manufacture magnetic clocks with coil. But then in 1970 with his son, he went to Taiwan, Japan and bring the quartz technology to India. This is how he established his business. Before entrepreneur, what was the profession of Uddhavji Bhai? Very simple. Before starting as a businessman, he was a science teacher and he used to taught mathematics in VC High School, Morbi. What other things Ajanta Group is manufacturing besides clothes? So, beside clothes, they also manufacture home and electric appliances, calculators, ceramic products, then snacks, then electric bikes, toys, other things which you will get in your lessons. Describe the work system inside Ajanta company. So what he do, that he has employed nearly 10,000 people in diverse business, from clock making to harvesting water for farmers, and admirably nearly 8,000 for them are women. He believed that of the 10,000 odd workforce at Ajanta Group, about 80% are women. Why? As the founder believed that their focus and tenderness provided precision to the making of cloth. More than 10 buses now play between Ajanta factories and some 190 villages to ferry these women, mostly under 25 years of age. So this is the system where he is not just doing the things, but he is doing with psychology, with some good management and smart work. Describe education journey of Uddhavji Bhai. So Uddhavji Bhai graduated from Shamardas Arts College in Bhavnagar at the age of 19. After completing graduation, he started his career as a teacher of mathematics at VC High School in Morbi. And the last question is, what was the dream of Uddhavji Bhai to be? Very simple. Before being a teacher, even before being a businessman, he wanted to be a pilot, but because he was the part of a very orthodox family, or we can say the family who's connect to the roots, who believed that a person should earn less but should never leave their motherland. So this was his dream, but he could not become. So here we are completing our lecture. We will meet in next lecture in second part.